Hello traders and welcome to WMoption's London Session Daily Market Review for Wednesday, June the 29th. Global policymakers quickly responded to the Brexit vote, addressing their local and global issues in order to halt related sell-offs and prevent economic breakdown. Safe haven assets were read across a green board as investors regained some confidence. In the North Americas, US stocks resumed trading on the upside Tuesday evening, halting the sell-offs caused by the Leave vote in Britain. Future Fed rate hike expectations changed to a cut with high probability after the Fed's Janet Yellen said there will be no rate meeting before some certainty is regained regarding British exit terms. The dollar was marked lower, reaching the 95.9 mark Tuesday, reacting to an expected cash dollar overflow by the Bank of Japan. US consumer confidence surprised with a June upside 6 points higher than expected. Q1 GDP was positive, while personal consumption and core consumption turned out lower than last month's reading. The Canadian dollar regained some of the lost panic-driven value against the dollar. VIX volatility was down near 14% after peaking near 60% after the vote. In Europe, the EU called for an emergency parliamentary session where a consensus was formed to draw Brexit outlines as quickly and effectively as possible, all of which is leaving the British Parliament a lot of work. The act was encouraged by German Chancellor Angela Merkel, an awaited reaction that brought more upside to European stocks and the euro. Merkel also told Cameron that no special treatment or unofficial arrangements would be made in Britain's favour before they filed the official exit notice. The Euro Stoxx 50 gained 3% and the DAX closed positive on the 94.87 mark. The euro found its way up to the 1.10 range against the greenback. Lesser Euro bloc members sounded calls for a leave vote of their own, but this had little effect on EU currency or stocks. The FTSE advanced by 2.64% and the DAX rose more, but not by much. Moving on to Asian markets, the yen retraced about 1% during Tuesday and on Wednesday regained lost value. The Bank of Japan played the expectation game, letting the world know it has some $1.5 billion to flood the market to prevent unwanted inflation. The Nikkei remained fairly flat on Wednesday's trading. Chinese stocks took the upside after trading flat during the post-Brexit shock days, while the new Chinese leading index is the Shenzhen's Small and Medium Enterprise Board, which took its lead from the oldest bourse, the Shanghai Index. And in commodities highlights, soft commodities climbed too, along metals and energy assets. Oil is up over the $48 a barrel mark. Gold dropped to $13.20 an ounce price as markets priced in a lowered risk aversion sentiment. Soybean, rice, wheat and corn are down. And here are today's important economic events. An EU leaders summit begins today. British consumer credit and mortgage approvals are at 8:30 a.m. GMT. European services and economic sentiment, consumer and industrial confidence and business climate are out at 9. A batch of US core and personal spending and consumption indexes will be in at 12:30 p.m. GMT, and the US Bank stress test results at 8:30 p.m. GMT. That was today's London Session Daily Market Review. Have a happy and profitable trading day.